My door rate's 85.
Okay.
Right? And but to the insurance companies, there's a big thing going on. Their rates are their rates are stuck around 60, 65.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
they're expecting
that's
you to get paid
yeah.
$65.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. So
When your guy's making like probably $40.
40, yeah.
Like, are you like, are they insane?
Yeah. So I think there was a big thing in Quebec. There was a petition for all the body shops to get the insurance companies to raise the rates,
Right.
their door rates, to at least match retail rates.
Right.
I think it went through. I think they're trying to do it in Ontario too. But yeah, so basically they'll give you the estimate based on their rates,
Okay.
right? So
at that point, like because clearly you know what's involved with this repair, and you
Yeah.
must have set in your mind, look, this is going to take me 20 hours to bring this car back, and it's the PPG being the good stuff. It's going to cost me this X amount of dollars for this. In your mind, you already have a price in your mind. If they come in and undercut you by a lot, and I don't know what that gauge is, 10, 20%.
Yeah, most of the time no, because they add everything, every little clip, every little screw. So most of the time what the insurance company gives body shops, it's
fair.
It's fair.
Okay, good.
The only where it's not fair if the appraiser missed something or from the pictures they missed something, which that happens more often than an actual physical guy coming out.